Make a great choice today with the 2022 Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats, standard. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners and is priced below $40,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, active grille shutters, stability control, roll stability control, power brakes, ambient lighting, braking assist, traction control, voice-activated navigation system. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.